Hi, this is Shekar Ayyar. I'm the CEO of Arrcus, and I want to share my predictions for 2024. The macro prediction is, guess what? The network is the computer again. You know the phrase from what Sun Microsystems used to say in the late 90s. It's actually quite real for this coming year and perhaps for the next decade. Now, why is this? Because as all of you know, unless you've been living under a rock, AI is all the rage. And in this age of AI, there are three characteristics of network that become so critical for good deployment of AI. One, everybody talks about training and everybody talks about the amount of capacity, GPU capacity, etc., that is needed for training. But ultimately, money in AI is in fact made in inferencing. Customers really want to know the results, not necessarily how well tuned a model is. And in order to get those results, you have to have great inferencing at the edges. And this is going to require distributed network infrastructure. The second characteristic is that you're going to require more than one hyperscaler highway. So get with the program. Multi-cloud networking is here. There was an article from or an announcement from Google just recently around reducing the cost for somebody to get off the Google bandwagon. That's great, but there is still so much in hidden cost in egress charges that the hyperscalers levy on customers that in order to get efficient networking, you need to balance that out. And so that's the second thing. Multi-cloud networking with proper management of egress costs is a requirement. And third, you have to know how to get data center infrastructure at scale. In order to actually have large LLM models get deployed or created and trained, it is not going to be sufficient to have single data centers. You've got to have multiple data centers. This is then going to call networking in terms of efficient interconnects between these data centers, as well as I had described, extending from data centers to the edges. So these are the three things: distributed networks, multi-cloud networking, and scale out networking for data centers. If you have any questions about this, feel free to call me or anyone at Arrcus and we'll tell you how to do this. Thank you.